Good morning, all of you. So we have today, very popular and everyone loves it. That is what? Pasta. Pasta with creamy sauce. And the name of the dish is creamy primavera. Right? You know how to make bechamel sauce. अगर नहीं जानते हो तो आप वीडियो देख सकते हैं. I have uploaded already the process of making white sauce, which is known as bechamel also. दो तीन चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बेचामल में. वन इज द रेशियो, दैट इज 1:1:10. 10 is milk, 1:1 is roux, right? And roux is equal quantity of butter and flour cooked together, right? Second, we always use clout while making bechamel to remove the milky flavor and end up with the nutmeg, right? And also we add butter on the top to remove to avoid the skin formation. So I have already made bechamel here that is completely seasoned and with nutmeg and everything. This is just the base, right? Now out of it I'll make derivative of white sauce which is known as primavera or creamy primavera. Actually primavera, it's not necessary you can give with the white sauce only. You can give it with tomato sauce also. Primavera में क्या करते हैं हम लोग vegetables add कर देते हैं, exotic vegetables, right? And pasta I'll use for it, that is penne. You should know how to boil pasta also, right? मैं already बहुत सारे वीडियो में I have given the description. Again I am telling you, while boiling pasta we add always salt and oil. Oil हम बाद में डालते हैं. अगर आप Italian स्टाइल में देखोगे तो Italian never add oil, right? They add only salt just because of the quality of the pasta. It depends what kind of pasta you are getting it from the market, right? पास्ता का पानी जब बॉईल हो जाएगा then we add pasta. उसके बाद जब we always use कौन सा इसमें डननेस यूज करते हैं? al dente. Al dente means teeth, right? In Italian. So that is firm to tooth. That is crisp to bite. तो आपका जो पास्ता है that should not be well cooked. Like we Indian people like well cooked, right? But Italian, अगर आप उनको well cooked दोगे they will throw it. They like al dente, right? Not completely cooked, right? So pasta जब boil हो जाएगा then we can refresh it with the cold water. Why we generally always refresh it with the cold water? To just lower down the temperature to stop the cooking, right? और अगर पास्ते की क्वालिटी अच्छी है तो you don't need to add the water, oil I mean to say, right? वो already stick नहीं करेगा. मैंने यहाँ पर vegetables already blanch कर लिए. इसमें broccoli है, we have asparagus with me and carrot. You can add more vegetables also, right? I'm using all these vegetables. I'll use the cherry tomato also to give a different taste because white sauce is generally bland in taste. So cherry tomato will add flavor to it, right? And let me start. Can I have? Okay, like this. And make only one portion. The rest you can practice. Okay. So now I'm making what I'm making primavera, creamy primavera. I have added butter, थोड़ा सा olive oil, and you know why I always add oil with butter, right? So that burnt butter jale na, right? Okay. So I'll add 1 teaspoon of garlic, chopped garlic, 2 teaspoon, actually it's all-purpose spoon of shallots. I will saute it nicely. If you have mushroom, you can add even mushroom as well, right? जब ये ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाए, थोड़ा कलर आ जाए इसमें गार्लिक और अनियन में, then I'll add these vegetables to it, right? Full of vegetables, veggie pasta you can say, right? Again I will saute it. Vegetable also should be crunchy, not be completely cooked. फ्लेम थोड़ी कम करेंगे हम. I'll add pasta in. वैसे तो मैं चेरी टमाटो इसमें डाल सकता था, बट चेरी टमाटो मैंने अभी इसलिए नहीं डाले बिकॉज इट विल लीव द कलर, और हमारा जो वाइट सॉस है वो क्रीमी की जगह डिफरेंट टेक्सचर आ जाएगा. नाउ आई एम एडिंग पैने. दिस इज पैने. एक्चुअली दिस इज ऑल्सो कम्प्लीटली कुक्ड, इट्स नॉट अनडन थिंग. आप लोगों ने इसको अच्छी तरीके से इसमें मिक्स करेंगे. मेकिंग जस्ट वन पोर्शन सो यू कैन सी द रेशियो ऑफ द वेजिटेबल्स and pasta, right? Now I'll add white sauce that is ready with me. And mix it. Cheese and cream at the last. You can add cream. This is creamy, right? Seasoning, salt and pepper. You can add black pepper if you want, salt. If you want white, you can add white. I am adding black pepper as per your taste. Now mix it. I'll add cheese on the top. और गर्म कर लेंगे इसको. और बिफोर सर्विंग विल टेस्ट इट हाउ इट इज. टेक वन वेजी विथ पास्ता. We always serve piping hot, right? This is done. थोड़ा सा इसमें हम चीज़ डाल सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास पार्मेजान है then it's good. I am adding normal Amul processed cheese, right? इससे इसका क्या हुआ टेस्ट और एनहांस हो जाएगा. कर दी मैंने. I'm going to serve. ये चेरी टमाटो जस्ट आई एम एडिंग फॉर द गार्निश, राइट? मैंने पहले नहीं डाले थे, मैंने आपको बताया था. माय पास्ता इज डन. So now I can do. आप चाहे तो इसको पास्ता प्लेट में भी सर्व कर सकते हैं, राइट? This is more than enough. Italian love, too much pasta. Or we can add. Do we have cheese inside? Small cheese. Give me that Parmesan cheese, please, and get me one grater. And tong, please. You can pause it. Okay, so we'll top up it with the Parmesan. Parmesan always goes well with the pasta, right? And we can, cherry tomato. I'm putting cherry tomato because पहले डाल देते it changes the color also. Right. Okay, add asparagus here. So this is perfectly done. This is what This is penne alla what? Primavera. Right? It's a creamy sauce which is the derivative of white sauce. Any doubt?
No, chef.
Now you can taste it. It's perfect dal. Thank you.